Hi, buddy. You're being nutsos. Ah. You've come a long way in that thing. You're having so much fun. Oh, boy. Oh. Oh? Huh? Show me what you're doing there. Oh, got a little cough. Okay. Can you show Mama what you do? Oh, no. You don't want to show off? Oh. I waited just long enough, didn't I? You've been in there for 10 minutes and now you're done. Okay. What's that? Can you show me? Can you show Mama what you like to do in there? Ooh. Ooh. Henry, where's the frog? Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. Wow! You are just getting to be so funny. Yeah. What are you? You're just being silly. Is that what you do with Daddy? You guys have little coughing spells? Boomba, boomba, boom. We love to bounce. Ah. Ooh. Oh. Should we get out? You're doing some good bouncing, burning lots of calories. Alright, we'll say goodbye for now.